Hi, thank you for your interest in Cal State Long Beach's graduate business programs. The following video will discuss how to apply for our grad business programs, and we will discuss the following three items: admissions criteria, the application items required, and preparing your application. So the admissions criteria for Cal State Long Beach is a minimum GPA of 2.5 in your bachelor's degree, and the degree must be from a regionally accredited institution. For the graduate business programs here at Cal State Long Beach, we do ask that students have a 2.75 GPA or higher. We also require the GMAT or GRE exam, and for our international applicants, a TOEFL or IELTS exam. Application materials that you'll want to prepare in advance would be your resume or CV, a video statement of purpose, 2 letters of recommendation, transcripts, test scores or an approved test waiver, and a non-refundable $55 application fee. So for the video statement of purpose, you can use any platform such as YouTube, Vimeo, or iMovie. As long as you're able to post the link on the application form and share it, you can use whichever modality is most comfortable for you. Within the video, you'll want to make sure to answer clearly the following 3 questions. And you have a maximum of 5 minutes to complete your video, but typically most students will take about 1 minute to 1.5 minutes per question. For your letter of recommendation, it can be either professional or academic. You'll want to make sure that it incorporates a short summary of your history with the person, whether they're your supervisor, colleague, or professor. And in that, you'll want to make sure that it details the characteristics that you possess that will help you excel in graduate studies, as well as specific contributions that you've made to the organization or the classroom. And you'll want to assure that your recommender includes a strong letter specifically endorsing your candidacy. For GMAT or GRE test waiver information, make sure to visit the link below, as the criteria varies from one program to another. Lastly, if you have any issues throughout your application process, please feel free to contact us via phone, email, or by stopping by our office at Cal State Long Beach. We are located in CBA room 363. We wish you the best of luck as you consider your options for graduate school.